Okay, it's starting to get really technical. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, shit. What's going on, everyone? This is the Cold Springs Trail in Santa Barbara, California. Decided to ride this with my friend JC as we are shuttling this ride. We started from the Camino Cielo road way high up in the mountains north of Santa Barbara. This is about a 4.5 mile downhill ride only, with a bunch of massive rock gardens in the middle of the trail, and at the very end there are a bunch of river crossings. Decided to divide this video into 2 parts, so enjoy this first part, and then part 2 will be coming out soon, so enjoy. Let's get a feel for it. Really chilly here. Gotta lift my bike up.
Did you pin your parking?
Yeah, I did. I have to pin it.
Make sure you can go back to this one.
Right? Always pin the location no matter what. Going down. Here we are at Cold Springs in Santa Barbara. Looks good so far. Just decided to shuttle this ride with my friend JC. Really cold outside. It's like 55 degrees. Ooh. Yes. Amazing flow so far, which is what I really like. Really loose gravel here. It's like a bunch of little rocks and pebbles. Yeah, it's amazing. Santa Barbara is such a beautiful city. There's just so many networks of trails that I haven't discovered at all. What the hell? Chunkiness here. Okay. Good place. Wow. Okay. Oh, bunch of stuff everywhere. Oh, little drops. Oh, wow. Oh, sick. A great feeling to be down like this. It is windy too, so if the audio is messed up, that's why. What's this? Oh, okay. I didn't see the other side of this, so I wasn't sure. Wow. My bad. Yeah, I'm good. I was trying something else.
A lot of loose sand here.
I was trying to jump. You know,
okay.
I think I'm okay. Okay, I'm good. Sorry about that.
You're good. You're good, man.
Okay. My bad, you guys. Nice flow again. Wow, amazing. Such good downhill. That's amazing downhill. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Oh, okay, starting to get really technical. Oh, okay. Gotta go through in between these rocks. Oh. So much bumps everywhere. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. This is an interesting part of the trail. Oh, damn. Oh. What the hell? Okay. So much technical stuff here. Okay. Oh, it's all about bringing your weight back and letting momentum do its thing. Okay. Wow, this looks good here. Oh. Look at this. All right.
I lost momentum, so
Oh, yes.
I had to stop.
I know. This is all momentum here.
Yeah,
Crazy trail, huh?
I know.
I'll go down. Oh. Oh, shit. Really narrow areas. The video does not do any justice with how big these boulders are. Okay, okay. Huh. I know, right? Super chunky. It's as chunky as peanut butter. Wow, look at this. Okay. Oh, bouncy, 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 bouncy. Okay, okay.
super bouncy everywhere. I love it. Oh shit. Bounce. What a place. How much chunkiness is there? A lot more? Okay, well then I'm looking forward to it. Yep, gonna need some new tires for sure. Okay, oh. I hate when those rocks hit my pedals in some way and I feel like something fell, you know? Chunk after chunk. Okay. Oh shit. Forearm workout, here we are. My tires are beat up for sure. Oh shit. Oh wow. I have to go a little bit to the left. Yes. Lots of chunk everywhere. Hi guys. One more. Okay. Okay. Damn. Maybe I'll come back here again. Actually, there's a 100% chance I'll come back here. The hell? Oh wow. All suspension. Okay. If there's a place to do a suspension test for all suspension forks or suspension shocks in the back, then test it out right here. Got plenty of place to test it. Okay, okay, okay. Nice, JC. That was a crazy section right there, right?
Man.
Oh my god.
That's not tough chunk.
I know.
A lot of sharp rocks too.
Yeah.
Super sharp.
Super, super sharp.
That was intense.
Right? Tire's still good.
It's not fast, but it's super chunky.
I don't think there's much flow here, but it's all chunk.
Top part is a little bit flow.
I feel like it's gonna be like this throughout the entire place.
Really?
Maybe. I know.
Wait, where are we at?
And this concludes part 1 of the Cold Springs Trail. Stay tuned for part 2 coming soon. Thank you guys for watching.